Dude, I can start it 400 times, and then he comes to pick it up, and it's like, fuck you.
Yeah, hear Bryce complain about a Mustang?
This channel is not PG.
Welcome to another video, guys.
Cut the clip.
Bryce is angry.
Cut the clip. Turn it off.
Look, listen. He's angry. The ginger's angry.
I'm about to sell out.
He's angry.
I'm about to sell out.
He's angry over there. Guess what? I'm happy! Because it's what I do. I'm happy. Okay? I got a haircut. I'm a little bit cold. I'm having a good time. We ain't cutting shit. Say what you gotta say.
No, it's even worse than what y'all already said.
This big head ass nigga talking about you got a haircut.
Cut the clip. Damn, you know what? Shut the hell up. Anyways, the goal tonight is to get that thing running, or I'm not making it to clutch kickers first. What is it? The first event of the year. Yeah, I'm going to the first event of the year. It's on the 14th. It's Valentine's Day. I don't got no damn Valentine. So,
What?
You going, Bryce?
Yeah,
I'm kidding, guys. I may have a Valentine. I may have a Valentine.
I mean,
Alright, so I didn't fully explain my plan for tonight. So, I got the harness done on some off time. And I got the engine in there. And now I got a turbo. Now I got a turbo on there, got a nice 58. We voted hood exit wastegate.
what the hell, man?
What do you mean, what the hell? We voted and you got voted out.
My shit's a daily.
I can't tell you the last time he dailied his car. Anyway, so
It's insured and registered.
we hood exiting all 44s going out the hood. Why? Because we can. And I'm gonna try to make it run tonight. We got intercoolers. We got sponsored. Right, Bryce? We got sponsored?
Yes.
Got a sponsor. We got a first sponsor, guys. We got Threadstone. Shout out to Threadstone. They got us some nice handy 760 horsepower intercoolers. Good quality. Guys, make sure y'all check them out. I'll put the link below. But yeah, the goal is to try to get this thing running tonight before I leave. AKA I'm not leaving. So let's get to it, I guess. It's not gonna run. Alright, so we didn't make it too far into the night, and I think I'm about ready to start. I got the start on. We got this handy dandy start button. I just got the harness laying on there to make sure everything works. Don't be selling out. Got a battery charger. I made some changes on the Haltech. Yeah, it's real crazy. Not really what you would expect, but I want to make sure everything works before I make it permanent, because, yeah, I'm not going to explain. So, all we got to do is turn on the main so we can get some fuel. Everything there seems to be working. I had got the drive-by-wire sorted out when I made the harness, so that's also working. And we should just push this and hear some noise. Sound like it's missing, ain't it? Hey, hit the throttle pedal. It's not working? Alright. What's all that rattling around? Well, it runs. I can go home now, right?
It's definitely misfiring.
It's doing all kind of craziness. I don't know. It's definitely not doing what it should be doing. Doesn't sound like it's on all cylinders. Bryce, can you just reach over there so we can check the drive-by-wire real quick? Oof, erase. I got all kind of codes. On function. I thought I got this sorted out. Drive-by-wire. Collaboration. Oh, hold on. Let me program the throttle body again real quick. Calibrate. Alright, so it started. I'm not gonna go home. I'm gonna stay here and get some more done. I still got the oil feed to make, the return, and maybe I could mount the intercooler and get some more done. Bryce decides he's gonna work on his car. He took it to the frame machine, got it straightened up. He's getting new doors. I don't know why he got an oil pan on it. He's getting his thread stowed in a cooler. He got it installed real quick. And then I guess we're really gonna try to make it to that first event. George car's over there, and Nick is getting some work done on it. I'll give y'all guys some update on that. But yeah, hopefully I can get mine going good. So back to it. Okay, so startup number 399-7532. We got it all sorted out, and she actually idles. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick my crazy wiring that we got all sorted out, and I'll let y'all hear this goodness, cause your boy Lee Bird RB's back, baby. Yo, yo. Say something. I know you want to say something. Hold on, I gotta turn the key on. It's like a whole process. Hear that? Drive-by wire working and all. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that nice 350Z pedal. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Now I'm probably gonna mount the intercooler now. Get some piping done. Alright, so fast forward 24 hours later, I made the intercooler piping. I got it going, everything was great, and then I came up with this genius idea. If I'm ahead of the game, I can't be. I need to be behind the game. So Nick took the engine out of the car.
She out.
Why you took the engine out of the car, bro?
I'm gonna take it apart.
Nothing wrong with the engine though. So what we decided to do is, since we're ahead of the game, the engine's running, intercooler's done, we might as well paint the engine bay one time. So Nick came in, took the engine out, he stripped it. We're gonna get it scuffed down, cleaned up, sand up, throw it in the paint booth, slap some paint on it, give it some Monster Red, some flakes, and then we can reassemble it all again, and we'll still be ready in time, right?
Yes, sir. Of course.
I'm gonna be early. The car gonna be ready. We looking good. And then
this weekend.
testing this weekend. We doing cul-de-sac donuts in this thing or something. Firewall in progress. We still ain't got a radiator, but radiator's gonna go back here. I got a radiator right there. We gotta make that fit in here somehow. We gonna make that happen. Drop the gas tank out. So next videos you guys see update with us putting the car back together and getting it all going and stuff. Bryce's car is in the same spot as it was yesterday, so I'm gonna roast him. He did actually get another pipe made, and he got an intake on there, but I'm gonna still roast him because his car in the same spot, and my car is completely backwards.
You want Haltech first?
Bryce, you on Haltech?
Eventually.
You gonna tell him why your car in the same spot?
That's where I put it.
Anyways, like, share, subscribe, guys. I'm back with the RB. I'm good. You know, y'all gonna see some paint next videos. Nah, they ain't getting no update on George, man. George, man, screw George. George, I'll see you in the next video.